Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, our today's lesson is right from a verb, and in the lesson today we are going to learn present form of the verb. Okay, how many forms does a verb have? Right form of verb. Okay, how many form does a verb have? A verb has three forms. According to our traditional grammar, we get three forms. That is V1, V2 and V3. They are the three forms of a verb. And there is another form, we call it V4. Okay, V4 or present participle form. You can also say that it is verb plus ing form. Then V1 is called present form. If we give an example of V1, that is go, went and gone. If you write V4 form, that is going. Okay, verb plus ing form. So a verb has four forms. They are V1, V2, V3 and V4. I am going to discuss today V1 or present form. Okay, present form is very important for you. Present form, every form is very important. It's not enough only to know the form, you must know the use of the form. What use? In your examination you will be given a box. For SSC level you will be provided with a box, and in the box there will be some verbs such as do, there will be grow, okay, and there will be a fill in the blanks. Okay, you will use the right form of the verb in the blanks. And in the intermediate level you will not be provided with any box. You will be just given a passage. In the passage there will be 10 blanks and there will be option in the bracket. Okay, such as grow will be given in the brackets. Okay, I think that it's very easy for you. If you know all the rules, it will be very easy for you. Present form. Why to use present form? Number one, if you write or if you see do, did, does in any fill in the blanks, okay, in any passage, if you get an option in the bracket or if you get any option in the box, you will just use the present form of the verb. Do, did, does plus V1. Okay, for example, she did not listen. Here I have written listen. She did not listen to me. Now what will be the right form of the verb listen? Here we will write the present form of the verb. Why we will write the present form of the verb? Because we have got here did. Did, after did or after do, does, we use V1. That's why here we will write V1 form. Okay, I think that you have understood number one of present form. Now we are going for the second rule, number 2 of present form. Modal auxiliaries. Okay, modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries. Here I want to sweep them. Okay, I have cleaned my board. Modal auxiliaries plus V1. After modal auxiliaries we use V1 form. Then such as you should help your elders. Okay, help your elders. What will be the form of help? Here will be present form. Why? Should is called modal auxiliaries. How many modal auxiliaries are there? Such as can, could, shall, should, may, might. There will be 20 modal auxiliaries. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, have to, has to, have to, am to, is to, are to. Okay, after these modal auxiliaries, we write V1 form. Okay. Now, number 3. Number 3, cannot, but, could not, but. After these phrases, we write V1 form. Cannot, but, or could not, but. What is the meaning of the two phrases? If you say cannot but, it means you cannot stay doing anything or something. If you want to say that I cannot but do this, that means you cannot stay without doing that. So after cannot but or could not but, use V1 form, such as I cannot not but help the poor. You cannot stay without helping the poor. It means I cannot but then help. Okay, V1 form. Why I have written V1 form? Because after cannot but or could not but, we use V1 form. I want to clean number 2nd. Okay, I think you have understood the 3 rules. Now number 4. After to, always V1 form. There is another phrase, in order to, then plus V1. Okay, purpose. For purpose we use in order to and to. Okay, after to we use V1 and in order to we use V1. For purpose we use to. After to always use V1 form. Such as we come here to learn. To learn. Here the verb is in the bracket, learn English. Okay, 2 plus V1, then we write V1 form. Okay, I think you have understood. If you write in order to instead of to, if you write in order to, the answer will be correct, or there will be the correct sentence. Okay. Now, number 5. Okay. So, number 5, make, let, see, watch, help, plus maybe an object or not, plus V1. And this V1 is called bare infinitive or zero infinitive. Bare or zero infinitive. Okay. When we will use bare infinitive or without to V1 except, we will write except to, only V1. Make, let, see, watch, help. After these verbs we will write V1, such as she made me laugh. Okay, if you want anybody to do something, you will write these verbs. Okay, you will not do the work, such as she made me laugh. You are not laughing, but she is making you laugh. Okay. In that case, if you want to do anybody anything, okay, then you will write make, made, see, watch, help, these words. Now, she made me laugh. What will be the form of the verb? Laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Only the present form of the verb. Okay. Number 6. And the last number. Number 6. Would rather plus V1 plus than plus V1. When to use V1 twice, if you get would rather and then. Okay, if there is preference between two things, you will use would rather and then. Okay, such as I would rather die than beg. I would rather die than beg. Okay, you want to die, okay, instead of begging. In case of this, you will write would rather and then. Now, the form will be die and beg. Okay, I think that you have understood V1 form. In the next class, we will learn second form of the verb, that is called past form. And till then, Allah Hafiz.